talking about cross culture, it's not about like what the Bible said, Greek nor Jew. We are one. Before we decided to get married, we already discussed our differences, how the culture, the different cultures that we grow up with, especially the food. It's very hard. The food. Even this is this is very interesting, Vivian. Believe it or not, my husband can speak about it. His people will say, "Oh, you're marrying Asian. So she cannot cook fufu. She cannot give you food like bangko or soup." But he can testify. He can testify that I can really cook good African